So today, in the first paid practice, when Kevin got in the car, he was in the early part of his testing phase and unfortunately had a crash at Eau Rouge at high speed. The car went into the barrier. Kevin was absolutely fine, got out of the car, but the car was unusable for the rest of the weekend. The crash happened at 3 o'clock. We had a car identified an hour later. It was on the truck by 8 o'clock. It's now 11 p.m. and here we are. Number 42 also had contact in the first session of today. The guys have worked miracles again, and we got out just at the end of the pre-qualifying session. We're just doing the last tweaks to the car ahead of qualifying to make sure we're as quick as we can be. What an eventful 24 hours for 2C's Motorsport. The guys did an absolutely outstanding job to prepare two cars for qualifying. We achieved a second row starting position. We cannot wait to start the race tomorrow and see how we get on.